Today is August 9th, 2021, and we are at Disney for the 2021 season. So we're heading over to Animal Kingdom for the day. But if you are going to Disney, I'm letting you guys know that you have to wear a mask inside. Outside, it's completely optional. So yeah, Animal Kingdom is gonna be fun. It's one of my favorite parks here, and it's gonna be a really different experience. But I still feel the magic. I'm still smelling things that I remember from 2019. If you haven't seen the 2019 trip, it's gonna be down in the description down in there. So this is the first step into the re-theme, the kind of the reboot of the channel. It's something that I've done for many years now, which is the Disney trip. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Man, my voice. But yeah, I'll see you when we get to the park. So at the gift shop right now, and oh my God, got Goofy after Goofy after Goofy after Mickey, and then Mickey here, and then some Chip and Dale stuff that I remember seeing at Epcot a while ago. Look at these pretzels right here. Got breakfast. Oh my God. We're here. So we just got off. It's tough to be a bug. Just chilling in the store right now. Let's see what they have. So they got like these cool little videotape things, but these aren't actually videotapes. These actually are little journals that you can write stuff. And it's pretty cool. This is nice. I could probably get this, but look at the weight of this thing. My God. Okay, about to get on Flight of Passage. I am so excited. You ready for the ride? Yeah. All right. This is beautiful.
And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But
Dinosaur, here we are. Best ride in the park. I have to say that. Oh, shoot.
It's been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. About seatbelts.
You should check that.
Plus, you aren't used to it. You kind of choppy out there.
We have a high sodium. What are you eating like shit on top? I'm not.
So there was a video I watched where they say they removed all these dinosaur stuff, but I see them here. I see dinosaur things here. There's some dinosaurs, a shirt over there I found. Amazing. Spent a lot of time at Animal Kingdom. We got 3 things done. So far we got Tough to Be a Bug, Flight of Passage, and Dinosaur. Now we're actually getting on Na'vi River Journey, and we're about to get some snacks. So yeah. So Dinoland only has Dinosaur, and that's it. And the Triceratop. Nemo's not running. Boneyard's closed, and Primeval Whirl is abandoned. So yeah.
That's a transvestite if you ask me. That is a transvestite.
It looks like we're all here. Let's go! Every creature called the golden sea, concealing the herd of Halloween. It's gonna be Cape Simmerfile and Simmerfile. Oh, I just can't wait. All together.
Coming through. Me and Cat on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside.
Yeah.
Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet. Thank you, Maestro. If you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing craze!
I know that your powers every tension are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions. The lights gone up tall on the stairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can't be caught unawares. So that, my friends, is a time for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then we are all connected in the great circle, the circle of life.
Take me alive on the planet, and the kings that get to the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to hide than can never be found. The sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. The circle of life, and it pulls us home through despair and hope, through faith and love, till we find our place on the heaven of
You know what I think? I think it's time to finish this song. What's my darling? No fear, my darling. Am I in sleeves tonight?
Prepare for the murkiest sky. The ridiculous bag is tenacity bag. The cage of desire is simply why I prepare as a new. Respect is saluted. See the wonder I is. Can I just get ready to be king? To be king.
There was one guy that had just can't wait to be
Everybody
stand having you with us. You were a lovely group. The best audience ever.
Now, please.
You know this.
Yeah, wow.
Now the
Oh,
first
he's
thing a baby
eating.
giraffe learns is gravity. They actually have a 6-foot drop from their mom.
Wow. Wow.
That coloring, when they get very, very
Mr.
excited,
Fiki.
that coloring will actually get extremely vibrant.
So we're getting on Everest right now, so look at this beauty. And we're going past a show that is not open at the current moment. Oh, Finding Nemo the musical. I really hope this show comes back sometime. Oh, how I miss it. It's just a cover. Ugh. Last view of Chester and Esther. I really wish they just got rid of this whole area. The Boneyard is closed. We're at Disney Springs now. So we just got out of City Works Eatery. It was alright. Got a good mac and cheese dish, smoked cheddar. I think we're now about to head over to the candy store, then get back to the hotel and sleep. For the next day, we'll be heading over to Epcot. And yeah, food and wine's going on. We're having a blast. And yeah, that's what we've been doing. We're on West Side, just walking here. Yeah, it's gonna be a great remaining 3 days. Now we're in the Candy Cauldron. Oh my God, this is awesome. Thinking of the Snow White here.